I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at 3 different ways to wake the screen on your Fitbit Inspire 3 watch.
The first way you can wake it up is if you've turned on auto screen wake. I'll show that in a second. You just flick your wrist and that'll wake the screen up. And if you haven't switched that on, it's really simple. You just scroll up in the watch and make sure that auto screen wake is switched on. And that means if it detects, again, that flick motion, it's gonna wake the screen up. That's the simplest way. A couple other ways to do it. You can tap the screen. That's gonna wake it up as well. If it gets wet or something though, I found that that's less reliable because it sort of detects that there's a lot of things touching the screen and it might not wake up. The way I like the best, even more so than those two, if you touch the 2 physical buttons on the side of the watch, it's gonna instantly wake the screen up. And that's the one I like the best. So there's these little buttons on here. It's a solid state button. It doesn't actually press in, you just put your fingers on it, you get a little vibration showing that you've activated it, and instantly the screen is on. I find it more reliable than using the auto screen wake function and then tapping the screen. Touch those sides and that's gonna start it right up there. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to our channel, it really helps.